Alright, y'all, so here's finished product. I went ahead and finished it up. There's one thing that I'm not liking about this. It's a gap right here. This is on both sides. Not sure why, but that's what it looks like. Again, I'll list the parts below, and go from there of everything that I had to use. USB, I just currently routed through the glove box. I will be changing it out when I put the backup camera in. That's still to go. I did not put the clips in to hold it in, just because I'm going to be opening it right back up, so I don't want to be having to fight with it and possibly break it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I mean, you've got, let's see, you can go Android Auto. I said, watch it mimic a liar out of me. Go open up ways. And then your messages, everything like that. And then you got your regular. And then you do all sorts of things with this radio. I really like it. I think it was a great investment. That's a KW-M750BT. That's a JVC. The tuner hooked right up. All I've got to do now is switch it over from my previous account to the new one, and that's it. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you liked what I did here, or if you got some comments, drop them below. You know, anything that I may need to improve on, or that you didn't like, or whatever it may be. But that's what it looks like, finished product. Thanks. Catch you later.